Conversation in this situation, but if you're not aware of body language, you'll say like you'll take it like for normal, and sometimes people do it unconsciously, right? How many? Let's do it again. Like I give you a hand. Hey, how you doing, buddy? You see what I'm doing? Dominant, so dominant. So now I would do this. If you would be dominant too, you put your hand on top of it, right? I would. You see? Now he's dominating me. But I started dominating, and I have one hand left. I'll put it on your shoulder. Listen, politicians do that on a daily basis. Give him a hand. Thank you, man. Thank you for helping me out. Thank you. Give me a hand. So, that's what it is.
It's unlike the retail sector here. It sounds like it's very vibrant and it's still growing, isn't it? I don't know about the book, so thank you for that. I think it was an interesting sector to look at. I don't know about body language, but I found the language, both on the charts and what you were using, a bit complex. I think it could have been simpler. I think you could have made your points in a way that was clearer and simpler, because it was hard sometimes to understand exactly what your conclusions were. However, you have touched on some interesting issues, particularly the importance of the organisational culture to the retail. So there was some interesting material there, but maybe the language was a little complex. Renee?
Yeah, I've got the same thing. What people remember of you is storytelling. If you bring storytelling, people like stories. People love stories. People are like, whenever I will tell you a story, you remember the story. Right? And by remembering the story, you remember the metaphor or whatever you want to give away to people. That's so important, and I love it when you look at me. I'm like, oh my God, but they are listening to you. So what you are constantly, and a lot of you do that. They constantly look at me, or they did, and you have to address yourself. And even if you want to have a sneak peek, do it, but address your back to the audience, because the audience is listening to you. Right? I really love it when people are looking at me like, oh my God, but it's happening over there, right? And then storytelling, I fully agree, David. Far more people will remember your message, far more and even if it's rational stuff, even if it's business, even if it's analysis about certain businesses, if you bring it in terms of a story, like the ferry I booked for £36 instead of 200, there's a story attached to it. However, the message is internet is amazing, right? But you did a great job though, by the way. Don't take anything personal when I say nobody in here. Don't take it personal. It's just adding value to your next presentation.